Keep learning and exploring with Wonder Kids.
Desserts quiz for kids. Which cold dessert is served in a cone? Ice cream. What do you blow out on a birthday cake? Candles. Which dessert is famous for being wobbly? Jell-O. Which of these is a circular fried dough? Donut. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? Cocoa beans. What do we call a very small, individual cake? Cupcake. What flavor is usually pink? Strawberry. What is a sundae? Ice cream with toppings. What is the filling in a chocolate chip cookie? Chocolate chips. What color is most vanilla ice cream? White.
Hooray! Thanks for watching! If you had fun, tap the like button. And subscribe for more adventures.